everyone. So today I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the SampleSource box. This is the one for spring. I got one last fall as well, but I didn't do an unboxing for it. So I think these come out twice a year, fall and spring. This is my second one, so I'm not really sure on that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and share with you what I received. First sample inside here is a bag of Royal Canin, and it's indoor complete. It's for cats, it's a cat food. So, and it's 2 ounce, 57 grams. So there's that, that's the first sample. And these are completely free, by the way. And the next sample in here is from Persil. It's a laundry detergent, and it's one of those pods. So yeah, ProClean power caps in the original scent. So yeah, I like using laundry pods. For me, I buy the powdered one more just because, I don't know, I figure I get more out of it, better value out of it. But I do occasionally buy the pods as well to supplement my normal laundry detergent. So the next sample in here is from Welch's. Sorry for the lighting if it's really bad. This is kind of an impromptu video. I wanted to get this up today. It's fruit and yogurt and feels soft. So yeah, low fat, gluten free. So looks like a nice snack. The next thing in here is from Bona, and they're a cleaner, and it's a stone tile and laminate floor cleaner. It's safe for hard surface floors, quick and easy cleaning, dries fast, no dueling residue. So it's a nice size sample. 2 fluid ounce, 0.59 liters. 0.9? What did I say? 0.59 liters. A couple more things. I think one more thing. And it is a snack. It is from Nature's Path, and it's organic. And yeah, it says Heritage Flakes, Kamut, Corazon wheat, oats, spelt barley, millet, and quinoa. All words I have trouble saying. And this is a vegetarian snack, so that's cool. And they give you a $1 off coupon on the back there. So it has protein, fiber. I've never heard of this brand, so I'll have to look up where they sell it. That was everything in my SampleSource box. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment below letting me know if you got yours and what you got. And also hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos. I'm going to be actually doing a pinch me unboxing as well. I need to get this unboxed. I really like the color that came out. This is the March, what are we in, May? Yeah, this is the March one, so it always takes a month, a little more than a month to get it. So I want to unbox that for you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.